Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 2 in Billions. So we have finally reached Miraki Huts and right now it's around 9:30 p.m. at night and ये जो Miraki Huts है, it is located on the Pauri Devprayag Road guys in Pauri Garhwal, and honestly the vibe here already feels so peaceful and cozy at night. And let me show you our room guys. Beautiful architecture, amazing interior. Are you sleepy Krishika? आपको कैसा लगा? इसका क्या मतलब होता है? Oh. And guys, because we arrived pretty late at night, so we quickly had our dinner and honestly the food was amazing और हम बस सोने चले गए. And guys, this is the morning view outside my cottage and right now it's 6 a.m. and I honestly don't want to talk much. I'll just let the view do the talking for you. It is so special here. The sun has just started showing up, the birds are chirping, and everything around feels so calm and relaxing to the eyes, mind, and soul. So, guys, if you are planning a vacation in Uttarakhand, and if you're looking for a staycation, then especially during summers or winter holidays, also, I would genuinely recommend Miraki Huts because there is something about this place, the architecture, the vibe, the peacefulness. It will almost take you back to a time that doesn't exist anymore now. And yes, guys, I would honestly love to come back here again, maybe for a longer stay next time, just to slow down, relax, and enjoy this peace a little more. And while exploring around Miraki Huts, we kept walking further down the hill, guys. And just below the property, there was another beautiful resort attached near to Miraki Huts. Well, I'm forgetting the name of that resort, but the gate was open, so we asked for permission if we could just explore a little. And thankfully, they allowed us. And I honestly don't know the name of the resort, but it's located just below Miraki Huts, and it's absolutely beautiful as you can see. There was so much greenery everywhere, peaceful little pathways, and the most amazing part was the tiny cozy cottages surrounded by nature. It genuinely felt so calming and refreshing. And then we spotted a real tree house, guys, like literally the kind of tree house we used to read about in the school textbooks as kids. And when we climbed up, the panoramic view from the top was honestly breathtaking. The fresh mountain air, the greenery, the silence, everything felt magical in that moment, guys. And I wasn't really thinking about anything else, and I was just enjoying the moment, soaking in the peace, and living fully in that experience. And honestly, guys, what I loved the most about this place is that it doesn't feel commercial or crowded at all. या आप ये कह सकते हो कि मैं उस समय में आई थी जब इतना क्राउड नहीं था. Well, it feels untouched, peaceful, and very close to nature. Miraki Huts is located in Pauri Devprayag Road, जैसा कि मैंने आपको वीडियो की स्टार्टिंग में ही बता दिया था. It is surrounded by mountains, greenery, fresh Himalayan air. The cottages here have such a warm pahadi vibe na guys, with wooden architecture and beautiful mountain facing views कि आपको प्यार हो ही जाएगा. Also, one thing I genuinely notice here is how quiet everything is. No chaos, no unnecessary noise, just birds chirping, cold breeze, greenery, and the peaceful mountain silence, which instantly relaxes your mind. And guys, talking about the hospitality and food, let me say top notch, and overall experience was just beautiful. Also, the mornings here feel magical. You literally wake up to clouds, sunlight falling on the mountains, and fresh air that feels different from the city life. And honestly, if you are someone who loves peaceful stays, offbeat mountain location, cozy cottages, nature walks, and slow mornings with chai and mountain view, then this place is definitely worth experiencing. So now it's time to leave और अभी हम जा रहे हैं देवप्रयाग. So yes, बने रहिए हमारे साथ. Now we are on our way to Devprayag, guys, and right now I am driving, and honestly driving through these beautiful mountains feels like therapy to me because there is something so calming about these roads now. No traffic, no chaos, just peaceful roads, fresh morning air, greenery all around, and that silence which somehow relaxes your mind instantly. And this is exactly why I love Uttarakhand so much. There's a different kind of peace in these mountains. Life feels slower here, simpler, and somehow more meaningful. And sometimes I feel places like these remind us that happiness doesn't always come from a busy schedule or material things. Sometimes it's just about sitting quietly, watching the mountains, breathing fresh air, and being present in the moment. And guys, honestly, whenever life feels too loud or overwhelming, the mountains always know how to heal you. So guys, we have finally reached Dev Prayag. So अभी बज रहे हैं दिन के 2 and the weather is sunny and slightly warm. So Dev Prayag was on our list for a very long time, especially because it comes on the way to Dehradun, and today we have finally made it here. And honestly, this place feels so special because this is where the sacred rivers Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meet. And from here onwards, the river is officially known as the Ganga. People often say that the Bhagirathi flows with force and energy while Alaknanda feels calmer and more peaceful. And when you actually stand here and watch the Sangam, you can genuinely feel that difference. And it's beautiful how two completely different energies come together so perfectly. We spent some really peaceful time here watching the fishes, sitting quietly near the water, and just, taking in the beauty around us. Kunal even took a holy dip here, and we collected some Ganga Jal for our home. So, guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel 2 in Billions for more travel diaries, mountain stories, and beautiful little moments with us. See you guys in the next video.